How to add debit or credit card on Etsy app. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Etsy is already installed on a device. Once you have it on a device, open it. Enter a login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now, if you head over to the settings, you will not be able to see any of the options where you are able to add the payment method. In this case, what you want to do is, you have to enter your debit or credit card manually. In order to do so, first of all head over to any of the product that you want to purchase. Let's say I want to purchase this. Click on it. Now from this category, you have to select the specific product that you want to buy. Let me select this one. Now select if you want to engrave. And then select the quantity that you want to purchase. You can also add the personalization. Once you have entered, now click on Buy It Now. It will land you on this interface. Different payment method will be visible to you, but as you're looking forward on how to add credit or debit card, click on Card. Now first of all, you have to make sure to enter the full name that's on your credit or debit card. Then you have to enter the card number, your expiration date, and also enter the security code. Once you have entered all the details, you have to click on Preview Your Order. And after that, click on Confirm, and then you'll be good to go. So this is the alternative way in order to add the debit or credit card on Etsy app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.